HandsFree Networks offers the feature for a system administrator to perform a file management without accessing the machine remotely or physically. Let's look at another file management darts here. So let's go to 207, which is content distribution. Now by choosing this dart, you can actually distribute a content inside a subnet, and this is the configuration parameter, and you can choose it to distribute for a site, for a machine, or for a group. And you can mention the maximum random delay before minutes, and retries for obtaining local update, which is by default is 4, or local update retry delay is 10 minutes. You can schedule the start or run this on demand by clicking on the execute button here. Going back to the script page, let's look at another file management dart, which is 222 report file attributes. By opening this dart, you can actually enable or disable. By default it is disabled, and you can choose it for a site, for a group, or for individual machines. Now directories of files to scan, where you can mention the file parameters here, and these are the different files. What this dart does is it's going to capture all the exes or any mp3 files or FLV files which are there on the machine, and it's going to list in the event log database. Now you can schedule it or run it on demand for a group or for a site or for a machine by clicking on the execute button here. Let's go back to the start page again, and looking at the other file management, which is directory and file protection management. Opening this, by default this dart is disabled, so you can enable them, and this dart will help you to monitor changes continuously for a particular directory or a file, and it keeps them as a backup, and the user would not be able to change any kinds of file inside this directory, and you can schedule them to run or execute them on demand. So that was about the file management.